How to rent a car on Airfrance. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can rent a car on Airfrance. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video till the end. Alright. So the first step is to log in into your Airfrance account just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, you can see the Airfrance logo. Below the logo, you can see some tabs which include book a flight, check in, my bookings, information, and then the next step is to book a flight, okay? Because you are to rent a car during the process of booking a flight. So you have to select the kind of flight, select the departure, the arrival, when you're leaving and arriving, the kind of flights you want. Then you click on search flights to check out the available flights for those days. Okay, so once you click on search flights, you wait a little for the flights to be displayed. Okay, so these are the flights available, so you can just select the one you want for the departure as well as the arrival. Then after selecting it, you can see which one do you want. Is it the business standard or business flex? Select the one you can afford. Then after selecting, you have to select your departure date too. Ensure you select it as well as possibly as you can. And then after selecting the flight, you will be brought to the page where you will be asked to confirm if it's okay. Then you will continue to passenger details. Then after clicking on continue passenger details, you will be directed to the page where you have to input the passenger details. And then as you can see at the top part of the screen, after input the passenger details, the next step is extra options. Under this extra option, you'll see the different options of booking or renting a car. Alright, so just go ahead and select it. Then after selecting the car, you'll be able to select the kind of car you want and the number of days, and then the amount will be calculated and added to the amount for the flight already. And then once you've added that, automatically and you make payment, automatically the car will be rented, such that by the time you get to your location, you can easily use the car. You would get a confirmation email which you have to present to whoever you would get the car from. Then you can now use the car for the stipulated number of days that you paid for. So this is basically how you can rent a car on Air France. It's very simple. Just ensure you try it out. Okay. Thanks for watching and have a good day.